Welcome yet again to Set and Forget Traders, because we're here to show you why the 90% of the traders lose their money and what the top 10 are doing differently. Because this is AUD USD, and bro, you can see our entry was the most accurate entry of the day. We missed yesterday's entry on Monday because the price tested this is a fresh demand zone. It's a lower time frame, but it's a lower time frame, but it is a demand zone. It was 0.65484. So the price reacted and pushed price lower. It retested and came down again. So this highlighted rectangle is the median level. And our strategy is simple. We don't follow the price, because if we're following the price, we could have found ourselves moving up, down again, and nothing made in between. So what we do, we just wait for the price at these extremes, here and down here, at the demand zone and at the next. So into what we are trying to analyze today, and the market has tanked thanks to the prevailing condition, and we had our sell entry there positioned well. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see for yourself the buyers started off the week with a very interesting art. And remember, last week this market closed exactly at our median level, which is 0.6468, which is the one which is attracting price. I'm so certain about it. The market opened, pushed up, pushing off the very aggressive buyers who had entered the market early. But you see, it came and closed. The 4-hour candle came and closed at this fresh demand zone, and that was our first trigger to make interested moves into selling the market. And that's what we did. And after it closed, we found our entry, which was so precise, securing the best entry of the entire market. Yeah, this is where you find the best of entries, guys. We have been from GBP/USD, we have been from EUR/USD, and now we are AUD/USD. And you see, even the last candle just tested and smelled the demand zone, and it was pushed lower, went up again, tested, and came down. This is more than 500 points. Yeah, small but worth it. So we are going to take our profits here, and if the price continue going down, you're going to wait for it here, and we'll be just here to show you. So let's check out the sellers chart. It's interesting because you see yesterday the market opened here at the Sydney session, and it tested, and it gave no time for sellers to think about anything. Market went up. So because this is the supply zone, we're going to wait for sellers to push price back again into the supply zone. Yeah, you got it. We're going to wait for sellers to push price back into the supply zone, and that's where we are positioning our take profit at. So this market is allowing us to know where to take profits and where to make entry, because you see the sellers took the partial profits from the previous sell zone, and they took profits and market went up. And the same thing, they're going to do it. They're going to come back here and take their profits at. That's why there's a huge run for money. Yeah. Nothing else. Tomorrow we're expecting USD to review the rates, and we don't know what's going to happen, but one thing for sure, we are carefully to come out with something. So stay blessed and let God guide your path. Never forget, don't fall for the test. Maintain your pride level below the earth altitude, and let's see how God will reward us handsomely. Stay blessed, guys, and have a good week ahead. In case of anything, just reach out and we'll be glad to serve and protect your portfolio. Cheers.